Hey everyone, welcome back. Google is secretly slowing down your Android phone. Every day, your phone loads content you never asked for, tracks your interests, predicts what you're about to type, and keeps you locked inside its ecosystem. Most Android users don't even realize it's happening. But today, I'm going to show you 3 hidden settings that can make your phone cleaner, faster, and more private in less than 2 minutes. Make sure you watch until the end because the third setting is the most important one. Let's start. The first hidden setting is inside the Google app. Open the Google app. Tap your profile picture. Go to Settings. Then open Other Settings. Now look for Discover. Turn it off. Discover constantly loads articles, news stories, and recommendations based on your interests. The problem is that most people never read those articles, yet your phone keeps downloading them in the background. Now go to Autocomplete settings. Turn off trending searches. This feature fills your search suggestions with popular searches from your area. Sounds useful, but it also means Google is constantly trying to personalize what you see. By disabling both options, Google becomes cleaner and your searches become less cluttered. Now for the second setting. Open your phone's Settings. Use the search bar and search for Predictive Text. Open it and disable it. Have you noticed how your keyboard often knows what you're about to type before you even finish the sentence? That's predictive text. It learns from your typing habits and continuously generates suggestions. If you rarely use those suggestions, turning it off can make your typing experience feel more direct and distraction-free. Now let's move to the most important setting. Go back to Settings. Search for Default Apps. Open Browser app. Most Android phones use Chrome as the default browser. If you have Brave or DuckDuckGo installed, switch to one of them. Why? Because every link you open automatically goes through your default browser. Changing that browser gives you more control over your browsing experience and lets you choose the features and privacy options that work best for you.
This is one of the easiest changes you can make if you want to customize how your Android phone works. Technology is changing rapidly, and AI is becoming part of everything we use online. That's why understanding these settings is more important than ever. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more such privacy tech tips. Thanks for watching.